Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about differential equations. So we need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we have y squared and 2y dy over dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So v we change for this one 2y dy over dx, we change for this one. Now I will put 3x go to the right. Next I will put this one like this. Next we divide both sides by x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Oh, sorry, wrong. So, because we have v and first derivative of v, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s. That is about e to the power of the integration. So we can see that positive number 2 over s. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. So the integration of this one, that is about number 2 f and s. Later that number 2 go inside about natural law in here, and we have s squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. This one that is about 2s. Later that we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have vs squared. This one that is about s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So number 3 and number 3 we cancel. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.